Guys, today we picked it up. A MacBook Pro 16-inch M2 Max chip, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and 1 terabyte of storage. I'll be honest with you. When I first thought about picking this up, because obviously this bad boy will retail you around $3,400, I was like, this can't be that big. Because I'm coming from a MacBook 2017 that had, I'm just covering up the serial number here, that had a, i5 chip in it? Yeah, I believe it was an i5 chip. And it was a 15-inch screen. So I thought, okay, well, 16-inch can't be that much bigger. This is so much bigger / heavier, it's not even a joke, guys. This thing is a monster size-wise. And I was not expecting it by any stretch of imagination to be as big as it actually was. But here we are, boys. We have the Mac Daddy of all Mac Daddies. Now, this M2 Pro Max actually came out a little delayed. It was supposed to come out before January of this year, but Apple kept delaying it due to chip shortages. So because of that, it was delayed, and that's why you see the old MacBook wallpaper on this instead of a new MacBook wallpaper, is because this was supposed to come out before this year. Now, based on what I have read, understand about the M2 chips, they're really amazing, right? And obviously the Pro and then the Pro Max chips are very amazing. But this is not a computer where if you already have a M1 Pro or M1 Pro Max that you're probably going to be upgrading to. Me, I'm coming from a 2017 i5 MacBook 15-inch, that I'm trying to upgrade. So if you're like me, then yes. But if you're not like me, you're probably not going to be upgrading to this bad boy right here. Even though this bad boy right here looks absolutely freaking gorgeous, bro. Oh my god. Alright, we're looking at this in 1 second. So in the box, you do get your typical manual right here. And of course, this just has your typical stuff. While we care about Apple manuals, and you probably already know this if you like Apple, is because we care about one simple thing, and that is these Apple stickers. I'll be honest with you, they're freaking amazing as always. That's why I bought the whole entire device. I spent $3,400 just to buy the Apple stickers. I love how the rest of this is just like empty. I love how the rest of that is just like absolutely empty. I thought there would be like something else in there because it's like a thicker booklet, but somehow, someway it's not. Now, thankfully, unlike the iPhones, this still comes with a charger, which is actually really nice. The iPhones come with a cable, but they don't come with the brick. Now, this charger right here is, of course, like always a USB-C to USB-C because, USB-C port right here, but it's a USB-C to MagSafe port on the actual computer. So, my last MacBook I had, it actually charged off USB-C. Now they changed that to MagSafe, which is really interesting to me. Mainly because of the fact, and I think actually, I was gonna say, I know I have somewhere around here the old MacBook charger, but I used to have MagSafe way back in the day, way back when I had the old Macs. And again, like I said, this is what I'm talking about when it comes to upgrading. I don't really upgrade my Macs, Macs are a really cool thing because I do have a Windows PC, which I do all my, main stuff on. Well, Macs just become kind of like a luxury item, So I don't really upgrade them too much. So when I do upgrade them, I usually go hardcore. When I got the 2017 version of the Mac with the i5, at the time, that was a really good device. You guys already know how fast technology grows and things completely, shift in the market. Let me go ahead and just, cannot do that. Okay, let's just do this. So this is the new MagSafe cable, and if I can get through all the packaging bosses, we have obviously USB-C to MagSafe. Bam, bam, bam. Which is actually pretty cool. Nothing too crazy special. Alright. Well, the reason why we came here today, and why we're here today, is for this bad boy right here. The Apple 16-inch M2 Pro Max MacBook. Get that ASMR listening in there, boys. Look at that. And then I think it's, yeah, I was about to say, I believe, if I am correct here, or is it? No, it's not. Okay. I thought it was part, like part of it was in the screen, but it's not. Look at that bad boy. I know my camera's not doing it justice right now. Let me see if I can get that fixed. There we go. That bad boy. It's actually upside down. Wait, is it? Yep, it's upside down. First time using a MacBook in 2023. That's actually a decent MacBook. The MacBook I have is definitely not decent. Oh, and that automatic turn on chime when you open it up. Gotta love that. And oh my god. This is holy crap. Oh my god. You got the Touch ID right here, right? You got the beautiful keyboard. Absolutely gorgeous keyboard. Already smudging, bro. It's already smudging. This thing is freaking glorious. I'm out of words right now.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
No. I'm good. I'm out of words right now. We're going to be doing a lot of benchmarks on this, testing this out, comparing this to what I have in my gaming PC right now, which is a 4090. A 4090, and I have a 4090, and I have a 12900K, i9 12900K. So, very interesting, but we're going to be testing that all out. Let's just take a look at the ports on the side. So, I know it's going to be a little close here. Let me focus. I might not be able to focus on that. So we have a MagSafe right here, 2 USB-Cs, and a headphone jack. Nice to see Apple still giving us a headphone jack. And on the other side, which is really nice because I am a photographer, it's an SD card reader, a HDMI slot, and obviously right here, which is another USB-C port. So this thing, wow, I'll tell you right now, my first reactions is it is heavy. Okay, that's my first initial reactions. Is this thing is freaking heavy. Like, when I compare that to my other MacBook, with my other MacBook, I'd say around, it's still a little bit a hefty device, but I mean, this has to weigh at least, what, 7-8 pounds versus my other MacBook that probably weighs 2 or 3 pounds. So, it's definitely a little interesting weight-wise. Screen ratio, I feel like this is I have a 15-inch. I feel like this is this is 1 inch bigger, but it feels like it's amazing more bigger. Pause on that. Anyway, though, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Again, like I said, we are going to be going and benchmarking this in another video, but I'm amazed. I am amazed. I did not think I was going to be this amazed by it. I'll be honest with you. I really did not. I thought, overall wise, I'd look at it and be like, oh, dang, man, that's really cool. Now, obviously, once I get, into the whole nitty-gritty of actually using it and using it for my video editing, using it for gaming, because, yes, surprisingly enough, you can game off this computer. It's not the greatest. It's not, going to compare to a 4090. Well, based on Apple's things, they say it's pretty much going to compare to a 4090. But I don't think it's going to be in that ballpark range. But it's going to definitely be a really solid gaming PC. Well, gaming Mac. Interesting. I've saw a lot of people talk about the Pro and the not the Pro. Yeah, the Pro version, not the Max version, it's the regular Pro version, and gaming on that. And I've heard a lot of mixed reviews. So, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.